It's Sunday morning, 4th January 2026. A new day, a fresh start. While most people are still sleeping, you're awake. That's not a coincidence. That's Allah calling you. You know what separates successful people from the rest? They start their day with Allah. Fajr prayer, Quran recitation, morning dhikr. That's where the real barakah comes from. Ya Allah, we ask you for a blessed day. Protect us from harm and guide us in everything we do. Make today productive, peaceful, and full of your remembrance. Grant us success in this life and the next. And remember, every morning is a gift. Don't waste it scrolling. Don't waste it sleeping. Use it to connect with your Creator. Start your day right. Start it with Allah.
May mga taong hindi mo naman inagawa ng pwesto pero galit sila sa'yo. Hindi mo naman sinira yung pangalan nila pero sinisiraan ka. Bakit? Kasi kapag sigadong gumalaw sa buhay mo, may mga taong mararamdaman na hindi sila kasama sa plano. May magsasabi pang nag-iba ka na. Oo, totoo. Nag-iba ka na. Mas tahimik at mas disiplinado. Hindi ka na pumapatol. Hindi ka na nag-i-explain. At doon sila mas naiinis. Hindi ka na kasi kayang kontrolin ng opinion nila. Hindi ka na hinahabol ng validation. Hindi ka na gutom sa approval. Busog ka na. Busog ka na sa presensya ng Diyos. At tandaan mo to, hindi lahat ng pagsubok galing sa kaaway. Yung iba pinapayagan ni God. Para